Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of my DIY vanity. If you'd like to figure out how to add lights to your vanity, keep watching. The lights that I use are from Lowe's. They're $34.98 and it comes in a pack of 6 and they are battery powered, so I thought that was great to save electricity. This is what it looks like on the front, and the back it comes with 12 batteries to insert them. And it also comes with 6 command strips so they can stick on whatever surface that you like. Link for these lights will be in the description box below. Okay, so this is what the lights look like when you take them out the packet. To get to the batteries, you just have to untwist the top. And I also forgot to mention that these lights come with a remote. Okay, so this is what all the lights look like after I have placed the batteries in each light and twisted the cap. I have put the command strips on each light so they can be sticky enough to put on my mirror. Okay, so this is the last and final step. I am just measuring my mirror to make sure the lights will be even and not at different places. I decided to put them 2 on each side just to make it look best, and if I decided to add more lights, they would be even. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I am all done. As you can see, the remote comes with the on and off button, which I love, so I can be across the room and still turn it off or on. You could dim the lights to either 10% or go up to 100%, and there is also a timer, so you can have the lights on for either a minute or 5 minutes or even 30 minutes. I thought this was a great idea because I said before, it saves electricity, and you can also just control your lights from across the room. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial part 2 on how to add lights to your vanity. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.